Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord CE5, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 tricks you must try on this smartphone. So at first, let me open the settings. Sorry for that. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the settings and move to the accessibility and convenience. Then you should see the Smart Sidebar. We can open these settings and enable or disable the Smart Sidebar. So what is a Smart Sidebar? You can see the icon here. You can unroll this and you should see here the file dock, recent files and the tiles that you can use for some features and applications. You can edit this here and add anything you want for quick access to some features. But I'm not gonna talk about this. So if you want to use this option, then you can use this toggle. If you want to have it on to hide or do not hide, then you can switch it here. You can choose the size of this Smart Sidebar, the transparency, where you should it be on the bottom or on the top of your screen, on the right of the or the left, depends of your preferences, of course. Then you can enable smart functions, so it's recommend actions you might want to perform based on the app or service you are using. You can disable it or enable, depends of your needs. I'm gonna disable this because if I add something here, then it should stay. If you're using, for example, Facebook a lot of times, then it will automatically will be added to this smart bar. After that, there is a file dock. You can enable this or disable. You can drag anything, the images and text to the file dock. For example, I'm gonna make a screenshot. Then I can drag this and move it to the file dock, then open it by using photos, for example. Then I can do anything I want with this screenshot here. I can see the preview of this screenshot where it's been taken, so the exact time and details. So yeah, that was it. After that you can show recent files or show app names, so it's good to have, of course. So yeah, let me show you the another thing, and it's gonna be in system and update. Here you should get into the system navigation and decide which navigation you want to use on this smartphone. If you want to use buttons or gestures, depends of your preferences. I'm the person who likes using buttons, so I choose the buttons. And above that we can below that you can use a layout if you want to have a back button, which is this one, on the right, on the left. And after that there is two functions that you can use, of course, circle to search or digital assistance from Google. All depends what you want. So let me get back to the main page of the settings and then move to the home screen and lock screen. Here scroll down to the bottom of these settings, and this is a pocket mistouch prevention. This is a very good option to have enabled because it prevents accidental touches that may occur while your phone is in your pocket or bag. So this is very good. You won't miscall someone or open some applications or send some messages from another person which you wish not to send. So yeah, you should enable this option. After that, get into the security and privacy, and this is a cool option because it hides your not hides, but gives your applications the password, so you can protect your most important applications by using a password. So get into the app log. I have set up the password before, but it's very basic thing. You should just follow the instructions, type 2 times same password to activate it. Then you should just press here to activate app log and decide which application you want to protect, for example Google Chrome. So I'm gonna show you. If I enable the Google Chrome and open it, then I have to enter the password to have an access. I think this is a cool option to have, because nobody will enter the applications you wish to protect. But I'm not gonna use it right now. Of course, you can make a private safe space. So in private safe you can add some images and videos, the audios, documents, other files, of course recently deleted files. You can tap here to see the settings. So you can choose here the privacy password, or you can add a home screen icon. So we're gonna add this icon, and here you can tap on it, enter the password you made, and you get access to the images or videos, audios which you want to hide from the people. So that was it. Let's move on to the next part, and you must try using the feature that allows you to take a screenshot in all of the possible ways on this device. So you should find it here in the accessibility and convenience settings. Then if you scroll down it, you should open the screenshot tab and enable these 3 options here. I'm gonna show you quickly how you can take all of the screenshots. So there is 3 ways. I think it's 5 ways, so I'm gonna show you quickly all of them. The first one will be by using side keys, power button and volume down button. You have to press it at the same time. You can see the preview here. Our screenshot is saved. After that, you have to swipe down 3 fingers from the top to the bottom. The another way is to hold the 3 fingers. Then you will see the window that you can change, and it's gonna be a partial screenshot. I'm gonna delete it because I'm not gonna use it. And after that, if you want to take a full screenshot page, then you should take a normal screenshot, then tap here scroll screenshot. Your device will automatically scroll down to the very bottom of these settings, and it will be saved by on one screenshot like this. You can see the preview. So it's very useful and helpful in some cases that you wish to send somebody the full page. In these settings you can also adjust a few important things. So if you want to hide status bar, I mean this bar, and navigation bar, so these 3 buttons on screenshot, then you can enable this option. If you want to have your device make a sound when you take a screenshot, then you can enable this. If you want have to screenshot notifications, then you can toggle it on or off. And also you can choose if you want the preview after taking the screenshot on the left, on the right. If you editing the image, you can delete the original screenshot or delete screenshot after content extraction. So that was it for the screenshots and the tricks that I wish to show you. So leave a like, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!